Hi teachers, so today's video is quick and creative. It is introducing you to a web photo app editor that I came across as I was scrolling through my Instagram feed. I came across a really cool tutorial and I want to share that with you. It's free, it's easy to use. You can load your own fonts and I love fonts. I'm also going to show you how to get some of those really cool teacher fonts that you see all over Teachers Pay Teachers and how you can use them for your own reproducibles, your graphics in your classroom, labels, banners. It is endless. So if you want to learn, stay with me. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go! Welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle, your Extra Terrific ET, where I make videos for my teachers weekly. I also teach you how to supercharge your online presence and really just encourage a lot of positivity and inspiration for teachers. If you like my content, don't forget to give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I make a new video. Okay, here I am at PhotoPea.com. It is an editor right here in the browser. It looks very similar to Photoshop. I'm going to be talking fast and moving fast, but the great thing about a video is that you can just go back and replay it if you miss a step. So I'd like to try to get this tutorial done in less than 5 minutes. Here we go. So you're going to start by going to File, New. From here, you're going to choose what size you want it to be. The most important thing to remember is that you want it to be a transparent background because you're going to be using this text effect in your Google slideshow. Okay? Transparent. And just for the sake of this tutorial, I like to just choose any one of these. I'm going to choose the Facebook cover page in case you want to maybe put this on your Facebook. So you choose the size that you want it to be. They have everything from Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, etc. Click Create. As you can see here, it is transparent. Choose the text tool. Now, the really awesome thing about this particular PhotoPea is that you can import your own fonts. And for this one, I'm going to be using Hello Big Deal. And as you can see, I've already loaded it and you just click load font and you have the font. And I just want to say that if you don't already know about the Jen Jones fonts, go to our Teachers Pay Teacher store and get her over 200 free fonts and download them. I don't even think you can call yourself a teacher if you do not have these fonts. These are a part of that Hello Literacy fonts that she has. She's got the commercial versions and she also has the free version for use. You've definitely got to get them, and I can put the link to her Teachers Pay Teacher store so you can download those free fonts if you want. But anyway, I'm choosing Big Deal. Choose that one. Oops, let's move this down. And I'm going to type the word EdTech. And as you can see, this font is awesome because it's huge and it's really thick, and so it's really going to give me that nice colorful font when I mask the color. Now you're thinking, how do I find the color? So I just Googled color palettes and I like the Canva color palettes. So I'm just going to use my snipping tool. I'm going to snip and I'm going to pick a particular color palette. I'm going to go to New. Let's use this one. This one's nice with the purple. Oops. Oops, let's try that one more time. I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to snip. Perfect. Then go to File, Save As, save this snip. Okay, go back to PhotoPea, and I'm going to go to File, Open in Place, find my snip. Here it is in the top left-hand corner. You want to drag it on top of your text, however you would like it, as long as it's covering the text. Notice over here in the Layers panel on the right-hand side, you just make sure the color is above your text, and you right-click and Clipping Mask, and you're done. Then from here, you can just crop out some of this excess space if you'd like by going to Image and cropping it. And now we can save this so that we can put it into our slideshow. I'm going to save it, open up my slideshow, and here it is, show in folder, and put it inside my Google Slides. And all I did was just take my Google Slides and change it to an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper because maybe you are making a reproducible for your students or you want to make a banner for your Google Classroom. There's all sorts of things you can use this for. So I hope you found this creative and fun and awesome to be able to use this online photo editor. It works the same in Photoshop. If you need some assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And let's see, I finished it in under 5 minutes. So have fun and enjoy this little creative tip. And I almost forgot, as promised, how to get the Jen Jones Hello Literacy fonts from Teachers Pay Teachers. Hello teachers, again, as promised, I told you that I would show you where to get the free fonts As you can see, I am at Teachers Pay Teachers, and I just searched for Jen Jones, or you can search for Hello Literacy. So I'm at the Hello Literacy store, and over on the left-hand side, choose Fonts. Then from Fonts, you can scroll down and see the options for the commercial fonts and the free fonts, personal and non-commercial use. So if you click on that, you can simply click download now, and you will have over 200 of the most iconic looking and famous teacher fonts out there. Again, if you plan on growing your business or store, you're going to want to give props to her by purchasing the commercial license. But for making materials for your personal use and for your classroom, get the fonts.